Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, strip knobs and drawers, wipe surfaces with mild cleaner and sand glossy spots until the finish is dull. Once done, measure each face and add 10% for seams. This prevents mismatches. Make your first cuts on a flat table with a straight edge and a sharp blade. Keep pattern direction consistent. You want precise pieces, not ragged scraps. Undersized cuts create gaps. Oversized pieces cause bubbles. So be exact and organized. You now glue. Select adhesive matched to wallpaper type, paste for paper, spray or contact cement for vinyl. Spread a thin, even layer with a roller or brush. Make sure corners get coverage. Align the top edge, then press downward, smoothing from the center toward the edges to force out air. Use a seam roller along joins and a flexible squeegee for flat areas. Once smooth, trim excess with a fresh blade and keep a damp cloth handy to wipe stray glue. You finish by trimming, sealing, and waiting. Let the piece rest 12-24 hours, then reattach hardware using original holes when possible. Add felt pads under metal to prevent wear. Seal all cut edges with a thin bead of clear caulk to stop lifting. If a bubble appears, pierce the high point with a pin, press out the air toward the hole while forcing adhesive under, then smooth and dry. If a seam peels, lift, reapply adhesive, and re-roll. Proper drying prevents later failures.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.